Well, the transplant was a success. So we've got good fit. It's a little loose right now, but when the oil goes in there, then it'll be a little bit tighter because the oil's really thick. But I still need to put the holes in, so there's no holes yet, but gotta put the hole in next, and that'll be, we'll call it a day on the bearing. Now I did have to ream it a second time. I just reamed it by hand when it went in, because it shrunk a little bit. I guess the pressure from the casting closed it a little bit, but I re-reamed it and it's fine. So I did it real slow with the hand drill. So I couldn't be happier with that. It's probably got 2 thou of wiggle, which is still better than the old one. The old one had like 5. It's pretty bad. So it'll wear in, whatever. I don't care. You know, making things better as we go along. The ball bearing is going to push on it, so it's going to take some of that play out. But next step is to drill this guy out, and then to prepare the seat for the gear, and get the mechanism back to where it's supposed to be. Major pain in the ass, but hopefully once it's back together again, it'll fit where it's supposed to be, and it'll be more fluid than the transplanted unit. The transplanted unit doesn't engage smoothly, so hopefully this one, hopefully the factory original will engage smoothly once it's repaired and rebuilt. That is, if I put the gear on the correct way. Probably not going to do that correctly, but hopefully I put the gear on the correct way with the flat side out. So we shall see if I can do it correctly. This will be a major challenge for me, and hopefully I don't screw up the blank. If I screw up the blank, all bets are off. This is a really nice blank too, and it's kind of scratched up now, but that's not a big deal. This is 375, and that might be easy for some of you guys out there, but for me, on my Atlas 3750, maybe 3752, that's a major feat for me. I am not a precision machinist. Hell, I'm not a daily machinist. This is all kind of weekend warrior stuff. So anyway, that's a wrap for this part.